Welcome to Frozen G Coins, a place for us to learn about numismatic coins and precious metals. Alright folks, today we're going to leave 2024 with a bang and usher in the new year with something really cool. I placed this order a couple weeks ago from one of the big online bullion dealers, and today we're going to do an unboxing of some really cool pieces that I thought would be interesting to add to my collection. This is going to be my biggest, most expensive order done on a video. Hope you guys enjoy the pieces, and we'll enjoy the last couple days of 2024 and see hopefully what the new year will bring. I'm pretty well packaged here. It's my first real good unboxing, so hopefully you guys enjoy and enjoy the pieces that we show today. There's just an eagle and a snake. Securing your wealth with physical silver. Very nice looking piece of silver. We have a couple pieces. This is the Archangel Raphael, 1 troy ounce fine silver. Here is a depiction of the Archangel Raphael. Very beautiful piece depicting Archangel. This one here is another one of the Archangel pieces. This is Gabriel. A beautiful depiction of the biblical angel Gabriel. Here we have an American Reserve bullion round here. It's got Lady Liberty holding her torch in front of an American flag. Just a very beautiful patriotic piece. That's it for American pieces that I have. This one here is Samoan 2024. And this one I just thought was really cool with the depiction here of Popeye and Brutus. I just thought that was a really cool design. It's like, that is really cool. I just had to pick it up. From the island nation of Samoa. Popeye and Brutus there in their epic fight scenes. And here is another piece that I've been hoping to pick up for a while. I don't have any of these, and I wanted to get one. This is from 2001, and it is the Chinese panda. This is a 1 ounce 999. If you follow the Chinese pandas, you know that they stopped doing the 1 ounce size. They went to grams. I can't remember off the top of my head what exactly how many grams they are on the newer ones, but this one here, it does say 1 ounce. Add one of the Chinese pandas to my collection. Don't have any of those yet. I thought that was really nice. And then my most expensive piece, but also my smallest. This is a 10th ounce gold Britannia. I wanted to get one of the Britannias. I got the Gold Eagle from America, the American Gold Eagle 10th ounce. Now we add the 10th ounce Gold Britannia. Be a nice little addition to my collection here. I hope you guys enjoyed that, looking at these beautiful pieces with me, unboxing this very nice package that I got from an online bullion dealer. And remember, enjoy what you collect. If you don't enjoy, you're not going to keep it up. So get what you like. That's what I did. That's what you should do. Enjoy the last couple days of 2024 and hope to keep stacking and get more in 2025. Enjoy. Thank you, folks. Thanks for watching Frozen G Coins. Feel free to comment video ideas or questions you may have. Also, please subscribe and check out frozeng-coins.com.